My name is Josh.
I'm Hannah. We have a 3-year-old son, Logan. We live just outside of Houston, Texas.
Home for us is kind of a sanctuary. It's a place where we can gather, make memories. One thing that was nice about purchasing from Lennar was that everything's included. Having a connected home is phenomenal for security. You know, when we're away on vacation or just out and about, it's nice to be able to remotely connect in and see the status of the house. If there's an incident, using the Neighbors app, we can connect all of us together. It's a great tool for security and for also convenience. We use the video doorbell for seeing who's at the front door before we go answer the door. The smart lock is a great feature for when, like, say, our cleaning lady comes to the house and we're away at work. We can let her in without giving her a physical key in a traditional way. I like the Key by Amazon. We can have packages delivered to our garage with a video to make sure that everything was okay. The phone has become a modern-day whole home remote. You can control all of these devices right in the palm of your hand wherever you are. It's a great tool for security and convenience.